In today's video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Carlos Santos SmartWatch by Green Lion. So let's get right into it. I got this watch for 45,000 naira. In the box, you will get a smaller white box containing the watch manual, which contains the barcode for the watch app download. In the box also is the USB charger for charging the watch. My first impression of the watch is the stylish design and the beautiful color it comes in. This watch comes in other color variations like black, white, green, orange, and blue. And it comes with a smooth and strong silicone strap that matches the color of the watch. By the side here, you have this button that rotates freely, which serves as the power button and also the home button. It has a 1.57-inch display screen that has bright and clear visuals, as you can see in this video. The touchscreen is pretty responsive compared to most of the smartwatches I have come across. This watch is packed with so many features, which includes multiple sports modes, activity tracking, heart rate measurements, blood pressure measurements, games, message notifications, and so many other features. It uses an app called Masswear, which is available on App Store and Play Store. It is compatible with Android and iOS devices through its Bluetooth 3.0 connection. It has 290 mAh battery capacity, which offers you up to 15 days of standby time. This smartwatch is water resistant with an IP67 rating, so you can wear it out on rainy days without worrying about it being damaged. If you don't like bold-faced watches, then this watch is definitely not for you because the face of this watch is quite bold. I love how colorful this smartwatch is, and the software is pretty good and doesn't lag compared to most smartwatches I have come across. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech product videos like this one. See you in my next video. Bye.